The Komsomolsk-on-Amur aviation plant, named after Yuri Gagarin KNAZ, completed the 2023 production program, delivering the concluding batch of fifth-generation Su-57 Felon aircraft to the Russian Ministry of Defense, according to a recent United Aircraft Corporation news release. Citing from the Defense blog website, in the company's official communication, it was mentioned that initiatives in 2023 aimed at refining the Su-57 assembly line, elevating serial aircraft production volumes, and resolving bottlenecks across the manufacturing cycle have bolstered the capabilities of the plant. Measures were taken to rectify constraints not only in the final assembly workshop but throughout the production process. Addressing issues concerning the supply of high-tech components from supplier plants and exploring assembly technology refinements have been central. Yuri Slyuser, the United Aircraft Corporation's CEO, emphasized ongoing modernization within production facilities. By 2024, several key structures will be operational, advancing the implementation of prospective technical overhaul projects under the state's Defense Industry Development Program. Crucial for the Su-57 serial production. The Su-57 Felon was developed by the Sukhoi Design Bureau within the United Aircraft Corporation UAC.